Terus dia.
Gear up. 50%. Three, 50%, 2, 1, land, bingo fuel, return to base, land immediately, 0, 25%, 0, gear up, 50%.
There you go, babe. Probably land.
50%. Landing flaps. 25%, 0. 25, 0. 10.
Oh.
Gear up.
Kids will fix up.
One minute.
Approach.
50%.
Going the other way.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
25%. 0. 25%. 0. 26. 10. 59. 0. Power systems activated. 25%. Gear up.
Yeah, good.
0. 50%. Percent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Landing flaps. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. Gear up.
Yeah. All right, taking off.
50%. 50%. 50% time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, I got you.
Get that little hum to it at the wheel.
I know, right? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think it outperforms the real ones by quite a bit.
Warning, 30 seconds.
I plugged the other one in, but
Clear.
it started letting more electricity. That's what I did, so.
Oh, okay.
25.5. 25.0.
They're fun to fly.
20.0.
I forgot you guys set me up.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Braking reverse fall.
I'm not set up for that on this one. I didn't get
Braking.
myself, or have you help me?
Speed
He's
brake
got a speed
25% to
drone
0.
All right, I'm
25. 1. Timer expired 0. Gear up. 25%, 50%. 50%. 50%. 0. 25. 50%. 50%. 50%. Take landing flaps. 25%.
Oh, crap, Tammy. It disappeared on me, babe.
0.
Don't say disappear when you're landing your plane.
It did. If it wasn't for that damn light, I wouldn't have saw it.
Warning, 50%. 50%.
Well, thank goodness for that light.
Well, what
0.
got distracted was how stupid bug landed in my face.
Oh, no.
Braking, reverse fall.
We are...
How come?
You showed up. We're done.
Okay, fine. Thanks a lot.